Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Today, we're going to be talking about factoring a sum of cubes. So, to factor a sum of cubes, we actually have this formula here that we can use to factor any sum of cubes. So, whenever we have a cubed plus b cubed, it is the same thing as a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. So, what we need to do in each of these cases, first we need to identify that both of the terms are perfect cubes. Now, x cubed is indeed a perfect cube, and 8 is also a perfect cube because 2 cubed is equal to 8. So we need to next identify what a and b are. So a and b are going to be the cube root of each of these, right? So a is going to be the cube root of x cubed, which is x, and b is going to be the cubed root of 8. Oops, not x, sorry, 8. And that's going to be 2. So therefore, a is x and b is 2 in this case. And so now all we have to do to factor this is we need to just plug in x for a and 2 for b, and there we go. So first we have, a cubed, a plus b, so that's going to be x plus 2. And then we have a squared, which is x squared, minus ab, which is going to be minus 2x, and then plus b squared, so plus 4. And there we go, voila. Okay, let's do the same thing for this second one. We have 27x cubed plus 125y cubed. So again, first thing we need to do to find a and b. So a is going to be the cube root of 27x cubed. And that is going to be, well, let's see, cube root of 27 is 3. And cube root of x cubed is x. So it's going to be 3x. And then for b, it's going to be the cube root of 125y cubed. The cube root of 125 is 5, and therefore the cube root of y cubed is y. So therefore b is equal to 5y. So again, same thing here. We just need to go back up to this formula here and punch in those values that we just found. Okay, so first we have a plus b, which is just going to be 3x plus 5y. Then we have a squared, which is going to be 9x squared. Don't forget that when we're squaring the 3x, we don't just square the x, we also square the 3, right? Hence why we're getting 9x squared rather than 3x squared. It's a common mistake I see all the time, so I did want to point that out. Then we have minus a times b, so that's going to be minus 15xy, because I'm multiplying 3x by 5y here to get 15xy. And then we have plus b squared. So 5y squared is going to be 25y squared, like that. And there we go. As always, feel free to ask any questions you might have in the comments below, and we'll do the difference of cubes formula for the next one.